Hey, it's Crazy Tom again. Yeah, I'm addicted to radios. Oh, I'll tell you, I saw this radio a couple of days on Amazon, and it was on sale for $23.95. And what caught my eye is two things. Number one, it comes with a remote control. Now, I realize this remote control does not tune the radio. This is an analog type tuner. It's DSP, but it's analog. So I knew that. But it controls the MP3 player, it controls a Bluetooth interface, and you can use it to turn on record, so it can record something off the radio. So I'm going to show it to you right now. It's sold by this company. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's made by Mir, and it's AM, FM, shortwave from 5.9 to 18 megahertz. And of course, as I mentioned before, it's an MP3 player, both little cards and in the bigger USB USB memory dongles, I'll call it. Also can be used as a amplifier speaker with auxiliary in and Bluetooth amplifier speaker using Bluetooth. Can be charged up here with a USB charger, which it does not come with. It only comes with AC cord, so it can be run on AC. And I took the cover off because it's a little hard to get off already. And 2D cells. So it's got a built-in 18650 battery, which I'll be using today, which is a 1200 milliamp battery, volume control, tuning, mode / band select, and then up here we can control the files on the card or the USB dongle for playback. Carrying handle, just lays down. Pretty hefty. I guess it's got, supposedly one of the selling points is the stereo speaker. Now notice in the ad it says stereo speaker. I think there's only one speaker. It didn't sound like it's two individual speakers. It could be, but I don't think so. Well, let's try it out. What the heck? Let me just show you. Oh, the one thing I was a little upset about is when I saw the ad, it said it came with a manual. And I looked in the box, and there's no manual in the box. This and this is the only accessories it came with. And so I wrote to the seller, and they replied very quickly. The manual is on the box. That's the manual. That's it. You get no manual. But of course, you don't need a manual. It's like very much like a lot of these radios that look like this. And like I say, what caught my eye and why I bought another radio was it has remote control. So let's turn it on. I'm on AM, I believe. It does not have, at least using the built-in battery, it does not have a backlight. It does have a nice reflective surface so you can see my ceiling fan. Plenty of volume. Let's tune carefully.
The job number, holy hot damn, the jobs number came out for the month of April, and
Now, of course, it wants to face this way.
expectations 190
It's not too bad.
jobs created by by Donald Trump. That's the good news. The better news, and this really does matter.
Good sound.
Like the last administration.
I'll tune some more. This is the AM band. DSP.
Unlimited water flow. Why not do hydro? 81 of the
Whoa.
90 labs.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Now, notice, if I can show it to you, notice the AM band is the European. So it starts at 522. Now, of course, since it's analog tuning, it doesn't matter. I say it's analog tuning, it's DSP. So it locks on to stations in the United States, no problem. Now, we can quickly, very carefully go to FM. And it's got, of course, a telescopic antenna, which swivels all directions, but it's very short. It's about 30 inches, so it's very short. And let's tune it up, turn it up, and we're going to tune really fast.
To say that seemingly death-obsessed movie about grief and desire and the unsettling power.
So you can see or hear that it locks in real quick. So it doesn't have any problem receiving FM stations or AM stations. And I'm not going to go through the entire band because there's too much music. I do have some music on the TF card, which is supposedly free music from the YouTube library. I've run into problems there. I'm going to try it. So we're going to go to music mode, which is all the way over here.
Play by TF card.
Play by TF card. Okay, so we can use the remote. Good bass. Whoa. That sounds really good. Yeah, the bass is really good. So it does have a good stereo speaker. I think it's only one speaker. I'm not going to take it apart to find out. We can turn the volume down with this remote. We can direct select a track. Like I can go to track 2. We turn the volume back up. Took a while. Oh, this is silent at the beginning. Very quiet at the beginning. Equalizer, we can change the equalizer. We can change the mode. I'm not sure what that's going to do. Let me just try it.
AUX mode.
Auxiliary mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. So that's, we can change with that remote, we can change the modes from Bluetooth, auxiliary input up here, or the TF card or USB card. Now there's a power switch. I don't think it's going to turn the radio off, but we can try it. Maybe it turns the audio. It turns the audio off. Okay. Pretty cool. So that's why, that's why it caught my eye. I could say it was $24. It's about 9 inches by 4 inches deep by 6 inches tall. Let me get the handle here. It's pretty hefty. So that's probably that speaker. It's probably got a nice speaker there. Speaker one. I'm pretty sure. I may be wrong, but my ears can't tell the difference between one speaker and two speakers when they potentially could be this close together. So I can't really dissent. Also, you have the controls on the top for mode and moving through the various recordings you have. Pretty nice. I haven't tried the record function to record off the radio. I haven't tried that yet. I had forgotten about it, actually. You know me, I'm pretty crazy. So anyway, Do you think I got a good buy here? Other thing I don't like, it's a picky thing. I like the case, it looks nice. I don't like these silver knobs because they're brushed, I call it brushed silver, and they're not chrome. I don't like that. I wish they were chrome or even like brown or black. The silver makes it look kind of cheesy. Anyway, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.